Hi guys, so here we have a 2023 model of Dell XPS 9315 12th generation i5. Now a friend of mine, who's not very good with computers, asked me to reset his laptop for him because he forgot his login password. I told him to write it down, but did he? No, he didn't. Anyway, so I thought, yep, no problem, easy as pie. So what I did was, on the press the reset button, restart button, and the shift button at the same time. That didn't work. Tried a couple of other things. That didn't work. I looked on internet, Google, YouTube, couldn't find anything. Then I came across this. So guys, I'm just gonna switch this thing off. Yeah, firstly. Oh, 1 second. Not very good. Sometimes. It's not going to close, is it? Just because I'm trying there, guys. It's closing now. Alright, so there, it's closing now. So what we're going to do, you're going to switch it on, and at the same time, press the F12 key, keep it held down until we come to this screen. And come, yep, like that. So we've got this screen here, yeah? Can everybody see it? I can't. Not very good with recording. So I came around here, looked around, device configuration. Well, we don't want that. It's an annoying little piece of shit rubbish. I came to this. Support assist OS recovery. Analyze, repair, and restore your system. So I pressed on that. Yep. Takes a little bit of time, this one. Support assist OS recovery. This is going to take a little bit of time, so perhaps if I pause this, should I pause it? Yeah, we'll pause this. So come back. So we've got this screen here. Support assist OS recovery. We just press approve, yeah? Click on approve. Yep. And start walkthrough. No, just skip that because we don't want to start walkthrough. Just skip that. What we're going to do is give it the reset, yeah? Download and install the factory operating system or upgrade to the, yep. So we're going to do that one. Oh, I can't remember if I did it. So we're going to do this one. Drop, like that. And we're going to restore to factory setting, yeah? Dump one like that. Everyone get that? I hope so. I'm not bloody very good with this. Yes, back up my files, or no, do not back up my files. Well, it's easier to actually, because it takes 3 times as long if you do, yes, back up my files. Unless you've got some more important stuff on it. So I'm going to do no, do not back up my files. Yeah? Click next. Yes, continue. Yep. Confirm. Blah, 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 because they really don't want you to lose your data, really. Yeah? Next. Yep, so factory reset in progress. So I'm going to put it on pause again, yeah? Hi guys, welcome back. It's just taken a little over 5 minutes. Now it's going to restart the system, yeah? Yep, so your reset was a success. Yeah, that's what it's saying. So now restarting. You could have restarted it itself by clicking on restart now, but thought I'd let you do. Thought I'd let's see what happens. Yeah? Just a moment. Yeah, just a moment. So hang on, maybe reset it. We completely reset it. So from here on, it's just now you're just resetting up the PC like you originally did it. Yeah. Now just remember the one thing: you shut down the computer, yeah, and then you press the power key on, and press the F12 key at the same time, and wait until it comes up and says F12 boot menu bloody blah whatever it was, I can't remember. And hey presto, you're in. All right, guys. Cheers now. Bye bye.